done for my macaroni salad. First menu, I'm done. This is my finished product. Delicious. Okay, next is spaghetti. Then next is third is pancit. Okay. I'm done for my noodles. I'll boil for 45 minutes. I have three-fourth grams. Okay. I slice cheese for the for macaroni salad. Here. So yes. Okay. And pickles. I wash the pickles because I buy in the market. I have uh, pasas pieces. This one very small. Okay, later I mix all the ingredients.